What's going on, everybody? If you're watching this, it's because you're looking for the simplest and cheapest way to boost your immune system during this never-ending, stupid-ass COVID-19 lockdowns. So, let's get into it. Well, first off, my name is Tyler Egan. I'm a certified personal trainer. And since all this stuff has happened, I have done way more research on the human body than any normal personal trainer would. Why did I do that? Well, because I think these lockdowns are a bit crazy, but also I want to help people get healthier, because the way I see it is, no matter where you stand on masks, lockdowns, the overwhelming issue that we face as a human race is the fact that we are unhealthy. So that led me to doing more research, and here we are. Okay, so now with that all out of the way, why should you want to boost your immune system? Well, it helps fight off viruses. Virus that seems to be wiping out the human race. But one of the ways we can do that is through exercise. And, a lot of people don't want to lift weights or do intense cardio or whatever the case may be. So go for a walk. Going for a walk is one of the best ways to get exercise in. Right now, I'm on a massive hill, but I think it's sub 30 degrees out. I got shorts on. I don't know if you can see them. It's free. It's simple. There's really no excuse not to do it, unless you want to be lazy and complain and just wait for the government to do everything for you. In which case, this video isn't for you, and neither am I. But if you're ready to take some action and start doing something about our current predicament, walking is the best way to do it. Exercise helps boost the immune system. It helps get more blood flowing throughout your body, helps get more oxygen flowing throughout your body. And why is that? Because you're activating muscles and you're moving your body in the way it's meant to move and using muscles in the way they're meant to be used, which allows for more blood flow and more oxygen. So it does so many things. It can help with so many things. And exercise is great for your gut microbiome, where 70% of our immune system lies within the gut lining. So go ahead and fact check me on that, by all means. But if you want the simplest and cheapest, oh, hello, Mr. Dog, and cheapest way to boost your immune system right now, did I say that right? In the middle of this crazy pandemic where we need our immune system at its peak, and go for a walk, move your body, boost that immune system. That way we can get back to some kind of normalcy here.